Good morning, guys. Today we have a couple driveways to seal coat. We're back on this job. If you guys remember, there was a tree here. We took that down and got this all graded around and then paved this piece for them. Probably been about 2 weeks. They wanted their existing driveway seal coated, so we're back here again to seal the driveway. And then we have 4 other driveways to do today. So we're gonna get some of this loose dirt off here, and then edge the grass back. Take care of this one crack here going along the edge, and then these will all be brush applied today. Then we'll put some caution tape up when we're done. Then you have to allow about 2 days before you would drive onto it. So that's the gist of it. We're gonna go ahead and get started to get it cleaned. Got a little busy today, so we're gonna try to keep moving. It's supposed to be about 82 degrees and sunny, so see you guys in a minute. All right, guys, we got everything swept, blowed off, we have the grass edged. Now just waiting for some tar to melt down so we can take care of this crack along the edge here. That's about it. Once we get this crack filled, we're gonna go ahead and start sealing. We'll start at the top and then work our way down to the entrance where it meets the concrete. So pretty easy job. Probably takes about 10 minutes tops to seal. That's about it. Alright, guys, we just got wrapped up with the first job. We're gonna go ahead and head to the next one. This one came out nice. Looks really good. We'll see you guys at the next one. Alright, guys, we just got to job number 2. There's a couple cracks here we need to fill. This one going along the edge. We did seal this one before about 3 to 4 years ago. So just a couple cracks, nothing major. Be brush applied also. A couple cracks here mainly going along the edge that need to be filled up. That's about it. Pretty simple job here. Got a little horseshoe in the front and then a big square back here in the back. Right now he's edging it back. I'm gonna get the tar pot off, get that heated up. So we'll keep on moving. I got this little light that's that got paved into the pavement, all taped off. We would probably be able to brush around it. I have a little hand brush I could use around it, just in case, to be safe. Better to be safe than sorry. Go ahead and tape that off. And that was the only little light that was in the pavement. So other than that, it's a pretty easy trim job up by the garage, of course. We'll keep it real nice and clean with our brush. And we have a little paintbrush too if we need it, up along the corner here by the house where it would be tight with our 36-inch brush. It is pretty warm out, but the blacktop itself is pretty cool still. So the sealer won't dry too fast to the touch. Other than that, we got all the mulch knocked back. We're just waiting for him to get done weed whacking, and then we'll blow it all off and then take care of them couple cracks that's going along them down that edge. Alright guys, we just got wrapped up. Everything's done. We kind of had to keep up with it today, especially on this bigger job while the sealer was still wet. Make it look good. Everything came out nice. It's still drying in the pores of the asphalt. You can kind of see there in the center. Everything came out really good. In the next couple weeks, that sun beating that sealer down into the pavement, it'll help it cure out and it'll look a whole lot better here in a couple weeks. But as of right now, still looks really good. It's a nice thick coating. So we'll see you guys at the next one. All right guys, we just got to the third one of the day. This is it. It's about 2 cars big. Had a bunch of cracks into it that need filled. A lot of dirt sitting down here at the apron. We didn't have to shovel all this out. Fill this grass out. Get these cracks filled. That's about it. We're gonna get to it. Alright guys, we just got everything cleaned real good. We're gonna start crack filling everything, and then we'll pop a sealer on it. Getting ready to seal it. Got it cleaned real good. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the sealer onto it. Brush apply everything. All the cracks came out nice. Any small little hairline cracks, the sealer itself will help fill in. But majority of the cracks, you know, we usually hit with the tar. Does the best job for them. Everything looks real good. All the cracks are filled up. I even put tar up here where it meets the concrete to help keep that asphalt from separating from the existing concrete that's here. That's about it. We're gonna start seal coating it. Luckily under the carport here we got a little bit of shade, so we can take our time. Probably take us about 10-15 minutes to get this sealed, so see you guys when we get done. We just got all wrapped up. Everything came out really nice. We're gonna put some tape up. This driveway was kind of beyond seal coating, but this is what they wanted to do to get them through the next couple years. At some point, I'm pretty sure they'll put maybe a 2-inch recap onto it or something in the future. But as of right now, this will get them through the next couple years. All the cracks are sealed. Nice thick coat, brushed applied. Everything came out really nice. They should like it. Trimmed up along the carport here, all with a brush. Try to keep everything off the carport. Filled in this big crack here up by the concrete with tar for them. Came out really nice. I did the 4th job of the day here. Really easy job. I don't think there's really any cracks into this one. Pretty much just clean and seal. Alright guys, just got wrapped up. Took us probably maybe 8-10 minutes tops to seal this driveway. Looks really nice. I'm gonna put some tape up and then we're gonna get to our last one. Our last one's probably maybe 4 of these, 5 of these for the most. So it's not too big, but also not a very small one. And that'll be it for the day. Last job of the day here. He's getting the edge to back, getting all the stones pushed back. Couple minor cracks along the edges we gotta hit. And then brush this, apply this one on. That's about it. Pretty easy job. Most of it up here where we gotta trim out at is in the shade, so that's good. It buys us time to work with the sealer a little bit longer. All right guys, got everything cracked, filled and sealed. Now we're gonna be putting the sealer down. So into a time lapse we go. All right guys, we just got wrapped up. It is around 6 p.m. Just got done for the day. Everything came out nice here. Around all the rocks, we trimmed them all out. They look nice and clean. Nice straight line at the end. We're gonna put some tape up. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We will see you guys in the next one.